At MSC UK, we've been implementing ERP systems for many years in a variety of industries. We've also known Tony Flanagan, the RamBase country manager for the UK. We already had that relationship and that trust between us. So when Tony came along and recommended RamBase to us, immediately we said yes, we'd look at it. Now we're beginning to build up that trust and relationship with the RamBase people ourselves directly. That's going to help us going forward, because at the end of the day, you have to trust the people that you deal with. MSC UK are the first UK partner of RamBase, and we've found them very supportive, particularly in our first case with JST. We have regular monthly calls where we get updates on new functionality coming, but besides that, we have ad hoc calls with the guys from RamBase saying how to get the best out of this functionality, how does it work this way or that way, and they've always been very supportive and come back with answers very quickly. We bring specific expertise in the engineering and electronics industry for JST, and that's what helps us address their specific needs and requirements. So throughout the discussions with JST leading up to this particular deal, RamBase consultants have helped us prepare the solution, understand the software functionality, and help us provide the right answers to all the questions that JST have come up with. At the end of the day, people buy from people. Even in the ERP market, it's about building relationships. We've had that relationship for many years with Tony, we're building it with RamBase, and we're also now beginning to build it with our customers.